Hey everyone, my name is Anil, and in this video we are going to create project management application. So basically how we can track a project. To track the project, basically on every stage, what is the status of the project? So suppose if we are in the initiation, the task is we have to create a project. It means project is in initiation stage. Then after the initiation, we are going for planning. Then in the planning, we are going to create the task against the project. Then in the execution, we are going to assign resource on a task. It means we are going to in execution stage. And after that, we are going to complete the project. So let me create one project. Okay. So here are all my projects and this is my dashboard actually. So let me create a project like Westpac Bank project. Now I will put a start date that is for today and end date that is for December 2025 and cost will be suppose and the owner. So here we having some owner. If you want, you can create a new owner from here. So suppose I want to create one owner over here and save and close. So we can quickly create the owner and the status we can put on track. Now if I'll click on the save button, then instantly my task grid will come over here. Alright, now I'll click on this initiation and I'll move to the next stage. It means I'm saying that my initiation is completed and whatever work I'll have to do that is finished in my initiation stage. I'm ready to move on next stage. So the next stage is saying select task, no record found. Let me create a task. So here I'll provide a resource planning. Okay. And then start date will be suppose from 27th and that will go for 1 week task. And here I'll click on the save button. Now whenever I will save, you can see initiation to planning and then create task. You can see so resource planning is completed. Now I'll click on this next stage and it will ask to assign task, like assign to someone over the task. Here is the same thing. I'm going to assign to James. Click on next stage. Now whenever I will click on next stage, you can see this is saying update project status as completed. Okay, now I will finish this as completed as finished. Click on finish. It means my project has been finished. So if you will see here, we are getting the details of the project, like this is my project and here is my task. If you want, you can create more than one task as well. Okay, just go over here and you can create more than one task. So how I created this, let me discuss in this video. Stay tuned, stay connected. Let's move over the solution. All right, so I'll go back and here is my solution. So I will create one more solution, that is project app for demo. And here I will create a new publisher. Why I'm going to create new publisher? Because the column might be same for a project. So let me create a project demo. And then prefix will be project D. And I'll create save it. And here I choose an project demo. Click on create. Yep, my solution is ready. Let me go create the tables. So I will create first project table. Project, we can say project tracking. Okay. So basically I provided a different name because using the same name project is we having many tables actually. So might be at the time of selection we got confused. So let me go and create the columns. So let me create project name, or what I can do, I can just rename this column as project name. Click on save. Project start date, so that I'll make date only. Click on save. Click on new column, project and date. That would be date only. Click on save. Let me create new column, project status. Okay. Then here we will create this column as choice. And here, if you will create, click on no, then it means these choice you cannot store globally. And if you will click on yes, then if we are going to create new choices and we will provide any name, project tracking choices or project tracking status choices, whatever name you will provide over here, whenever you will do some choices over here, you will create these choices you can get globally. So I already stored some choices. From these choices I'm going to store the data. So you can see on track, at risk, off track, finished. So I will choose my choice that I already created in one of my previous project. Okay, the default I can say like on track. If you want, you can put it as blank as well. Click on save. Okay, so the column. Okay, I need to create few more columns. So that will be project owner or project manager. Okay, then I will go here and I will look up this, and I will look up this by contact, that is the out of the box table, contact table, and I'll click on save button. Start date, finish date, and let me check start date, finish date, cost as well. Okay, so let me click create cost. I will go here and I will choose currency, and this is simple, required, and cost. And here you can provide a minimum value as 100 or 0, whatever you want, and the maximum value here. Okay, and then you can go and you can click on save. Okay, so this is ready. I will go on project tracking and click on form. Okay, so this is the main form information, and this form I will create look like this. Okay, so I will hide this. Okay, and this I will hide as well, and this is project name. I will go here and click on custom. So we having project start date, project end date, project manager, and then cost and owner, project cost, and then project manager. Okay. All right. Status, yeah, status also. All right. So this form is ready. Now let me save this form. Click on save. And I will go in form setting as well. Go on form order. And this is main form and this is information form. Okay. So I'll go back. This is main and information form. Okay. Go in project tracking and go in view. Then in view, I will go in public view. You can see active project tracking. And here I will remove this created on. Okay. From here I will go on custom. I'll go project start date, project end date, project manager, project status, project cost. Okay. So let me check here, name, start date, end date, cost. Okay. Owner, these actually start date, actual finish date, you can leave it. These are the probability that I created for me. If you want, you can also create. Now this is ready, and click on save. View is saved. We are not going to publish anything for now. Later on we will publish, once everything will be ready. Click on this contact button. So in contact, I'll go in form and I will create a quick form actually. So from here, if I'll go back, suppose, and in a new form, you will see quick create form. Okay. And the quick create form, I will remove or hide. I will hide it. And new section, I will go here and I will choose name. Then here will be first name, then last name, then middle name. Okay. If you want, then email, and here is email. Okay. All right. Form is ready. Let me go and click on save. Form is saved. I'll go in the setting. So I'll go here, contact quick create form. This is our form. Save and publish. We can click on save and publish. Even if you want, you can publish everything whenever your stuff is ready. Now I will go back. Okay, I will go in the view, create a new view, or if you want, add existing view. So active contacts, click on add. Okay, this is full name and email. All right. Click on save and publish. Go back. Click on table. Then now we will create the task table. Go here, go on table, project task, click on save, go in columns. This is name. I will say task name. Click on save, new column. So let me check the task actually. So we having start date, end date, assigned to, and status. Start task, start date, oh, task, start date. So this is date only, yeah, that's correct. I thought this is date and time. And task and date, date only. Click on save. Then task assigned to. Here I will go and I will go in lookup. In the lookup build contact. Okay, click on save. And then is status. Then here task status. And this task status, similarly, I will go in the choice. I think I have some choices. Task status, or if you want you can just go over here. I'll let you know the this thing. Go over here in the no, click in progress, and then new choice, completed. If you want you can just go over here and you can take a color. So I'll take off color as a green. Then for completed I will take a green dark. Okay, then this will be default as in progress. Click on start, save. Now we will create a relationship. So that is project, and this will be a relationship with lookup and project tracking. Okay, click on save, or we can just go over here and same name we can provide, project tracking. Okay, now if we'll see here, I will go over here. Okay, okay, relationship is ready. Now I will go in the project, and if you want to see the relationship, project task tracking. So man to one relationship. Okay, it means one project can have multiple tasks. Now I will go on the form, and this is main form. Let me create the form. Okay, let me go back and go on, not here, on the new task. So name, start date, due date, and project. So this I will remove or hide. This I will hide. If you want you can just move over here. This will come over here. Then I will go here and take a custom column, then start date, end date, start date, end date, or due date, and then project tracking. Okay, click on save. Okay, then go in form setting, then form order, and then we having main form only on the top. That's fine. Go back and project task, go in the view, and this is active project task view. Okay, let me remove this. Then I will go on custom, and here project start date, sorry, task start date and date, task status, assign to, and project tracking. Okay, click on save. All right, so our tables are ready. And now let me create the app. I will go here. Let me publish all. Okay, everything is published. Now let me go here, go in the app, create model driven app. I will provide a name, project tracker. Click on create. Now click on add page. I'll go in choose Dataverse table, and here project. Okay, so what we provide, you know the prefix actually. So that prefix will let you know project D is your prefix. Okay, now go in the app, open your app, add page, next, and project project D. So project task and project tracking, and then one more table, contact. Click on add. Okay, now I don't want this project task. Remove this, and project tracking as well. No, project contact. Okay, if you want you can remove, rename this. Oh, okay, this is new group. If you want you can just go here, you can provide project navigation, or you can say navigation. Okay, here. Now the things are ready almost. I will click on publish. Oh no, there is one more thing pending. I'm sorry, I forget that. I will go on project tracking, and the project tracking on the form, we choose this main form. And in the main form, if I'll go on the project, and in the bottom you will see the task grid. So this I forgot. So let me add, I'll go in the component, and I will add a subgrid, and then show related records, then project task. Okay, this is related then a related table, and this is default view project, active project task. I will add it, you know so this is added over here. Okay, now I will save and publish. Okay, this is saved and published. Go back, go in the app, and go here in the app and click on publish. Okay, click on play. Click on new. Okay, so if I'll create the project like start date, end date, project manager, these are already created because I'm using the contact table, and that contact table is same that we having globally. So whenever you are adding a contact table in the solution, at that time that will ask you, do you want to add the old component? You can freshly start it, but I didn't did that. If you want, you can do that. So once I'll click on this, this is first name. I'll go and I will choose the owner. Okay, middle name and the email. Click on save and close. Here you will get this name and the cost. Okay, now if I'll click on this save, then this new project task will come up. But the thing is, we have to create this workflow as well over here. So I'll go over here, then go back, then I will go in basically cloud flow, go here and automation and business process flow. So I'll provide the name approval process for project, and the table will be project tracking. Click on create. A new window will be open. Just wait for that. All right. So here is the stage. So I'll say initiation, and this is on project tracking. Okay. Now I will go over here in data tab. I'll say create project, and here will be project name, and this is required. It means this stage cannot be moved until you will not create a project. Click on apply. Now I will go again on component. I will put a new stage. You can put a new stage from here, even you can put from add as well. So click on planning. So this is planning stage, and this is also on this will be basically on task. Project task. Okay, right. This will be on project task. Click on apply. Go on component, and here you will see data step. I will go here and I will see create project, sorry, create task. The same thing we are going to do here, initiation, and in the planning it's saying create task. Okay, I'll go create task, and then task name, this is required. Click on apply. Now again I will go and click on new stage, and this will be execution. Okay, I will go here, choose execution, click on apply, and this will be on same project task. And here we are going on data step, and the data step will be assigned resource. Okay, you can see here in the execution saying assigned task. Basically that was not correct. Assigned resource on task. Okay, and this will be task assigned to. Okay, and this is required. Click on apply. The last stage we will put as completion, right? Completion. Okay, and this will be on project tracking. Click on apply and then go over here and go here and update project status as complete, and or what is the status actually? We having the status, finished. So I'll go over here, finished, or you can say like complete as well. And the data project status. Okay, and this will be required. Click on apply. Now our workflow is ready. Click on save. Once you will click on save, or you can click on validate, this will validate. Okay, now I will click on activate. This activate will take some time, might be sometime, it can be take 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. Just wait and watch. You will get here is option like wait, page wait. See, you are getting page unresponsive, wait or exit page. Just click on wait. Still click on wait. Yeah, so now here you can see deactivated. Okay, you're getting this deactivated. Now it means your workflow is activated. Now go back, click on done. So whenever you will click on done, automatically, process flow will be created over here. You can see approval process flow per project. All right, now I will go on the application. Okay, project tracking, or I will go on back. Let me publish all customization. All right, published successfully. Click on this project tracker. Published. Click on play. Now click on new. See here, actually it's taking some time to reload, you know so I just click on try to new look or try to old. So in a old look, you will see this is in this color, and the color will be changed basically in a new look. Okay, so here project name, and if you will see here in the first stage, it's asking me to create the project. Okay, so create project. So I'll go create a project for, or you can say project for MRF, and project start date as a 26th, project end date as this will be very short date. Let me put something else. Okay, and then project manager. Similarly, click on new contact. You can create the new project manager from here. The middle name I just put it over here. If you want, you can remove this middle name as well. So I'll go and say Will Weston, and email will be bill@gmail.com. Click on save and close. This will be assigned automatically. The cost will be anything, and this status you can just support on track, because we have chosen on track as a default, so that's why it's coming as a on track. So now whenever I'll click on the save button, you will see the project for MRF is coming over here. Now I'll click on next stage. It will ask me to create the project. You can see here, click on create. Now I will say planning for construction. Start date will be today's date and will go for 1 week. And this is project tracking. We have created the relation between the project. Let me click on save. You can see the create task is completed. The task name is coming here. Click on next stage, and here it's asking me assign resource on a task. I will go here. I'm having these resources. If you want, you can just click over here. Similarly, a window will be open. For now, I'm going to assign Nitesh, and I will click on next stage. And it's asking me update project status or as finished. Okay, I'll go here and click on finished, and it means my project has been finished. Or if you want, you can just go over here, assign a new task, whatever you want, and after that you can go over here and you can finish. So I hope you love this video, and if you really enjoy this video, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you and bye bye.